Janelle enjoys going for a ride. Looking for her now. She will hide. Kayla's reaching for the toy. Brendan drinks from his bottle with joy. Babies love to learn new things.
I'm gonna put that on him in the living room. Come on. Yeah, could you just call it? I'm the store.
There he goes. Definitely walking.
Never.
Never. I'm gonna go right for that shampoo though. How will he handle the sand dune? Will you go through it or around it, Nate? Pick, guess. Around it. Taking the longer route. Oh. Go get him, Nate.
Come on, buddy.
Nate's running in socks. Get Nate.
Did you guys find him?
Go, Nate, get him!
Come on, Nick.
I can't believe he ran that far. I've never seen such a thing.
He was cruising too, the same pace all the way.
He walked around the flag. Is he napping in here? Or is he gonna go in?
Yes, Nate, Connor's down.
He is. Come on, Nick.
You're gonna get it.
Go, Nick. That was impressive.
Good job, buddy.
Wow.
5 minutes and 35 seconds.
5 minutes?
5 minutes, 35 seconds.
But the big question is,
Wow, that was
is the pizza ready?
On.
Right?
Give me a 5, buddy.
You just earned your arcade back.
Were you bad that you lost the arcade?
Alright, push Papa and I are
You
Good
pushed
job, Nick.
Papa wasn't even with you.
Beautiful day here at the Orange Lake Resorts. Thank you for coming. Appreciate it. Have a nice day.
Nate,
Oh.
you come with me.
And by the way, you don't have a drink in your hand, you're not eating. Get to work.
Nate, that's your money.
$9.
What do you say, Papa?
Thank you.
What are you gonna buy with it?
$10.
What do you?
How much does it cost for another two?
15.
2 for 15, right?
8.
No.
Yes.
Oh, yes, I'm sorry.
Nate.
Anybody can go wherever they want today. Whichever pool. Mark and Steph are going to the pool we went to last night.
That's
The song.
stop.
That sounds
No,
good.
no, there's no such thing as sex.
peanuts in there.
I'm gonna have the rest. I'm gonna
Lazy ass river.
have my rest.
Nate, what was your question?
I mean,
I think everybody was discouraged last time because I couldn't get seats.
Nate, what was your question about the dollar?
Excuse me.
nothing.
Who's that?
No question?
It was a $6.
Sex dollar? Who taught you that?
Papa. Papa.
What did I do?
A second.
What did I
You
do?
told it. You Nick say it.
Did he give you the? All right, now you both have $10. You have $10, and your brother has $10.
No, I have $11.
Well, I gave you 9.
I never ever remember Dad giving us
Two
$10.
minutes ago.
Never once.
And the other
No,
dollar
you
made
give me
10.
10.
Mark, you're not eating.
What did you say?
Yeah, he has 11.
What'd you eat?
Slim Jims, cashews, jelly beans.
Eat the, there's,
10.
barbecue nachos.
11.
That's dinner.
Ooh.
10 and the 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 10 and 10 and 10 loops. 100.
Wow, you want some?
What did you say?
Nothing. Hey.
You got any of that turkey left?
Over to that.
Yeah.
Any more stuff for at least a week?
What?
Eat the turkey, Nick. It's really good. You like turkey?
He likes chicken. Nick, there's chicken there.
He likes-
Is burnt or if he's
Oh,
Tan.
he's yawning.
look at the Cheetos everywhere.
Good boy.
What is that? Are you recording? Yummy. Cheers, cheese doodles. Your two favorite things. Cheers to the cheese doodles. Cheers. Here, look at. Cheers. Look at Mommy's got. I actually should be saving them for the plane. Come on. Connor. Connor. Hey. Hey. Psst. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Cheese. 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 I'm not sure what to think of that, huh?
99.5 The River. We listen to you all day, every single day. River keeps me going.
Yeah, you dancing? Oh, you got the groove, buddy.
Hi, Tata.
Hi, buddy. What do you think of that? Not so sure. What a face. What's up? What's up? Or a guzzle? Yeah, good. Hey, buddy. Say cheese.
Go get Daddy. Go get him. Oh, what's the matter? Are your shoes bugging you? Oh, come on. Ready? Let's go. Where are you going? Come on. Let's go. Come on. Want a drink? You want your juice? Here. Here, it's stuck. There you go. Bless you. You hear the geese? Okay, I'll get that. If it attacks me, I'm going to crack myself. Ah! Jeez, you ready? Come on. Come on.
Hey, buddy.
Where are we going?
Hey, where are you walking
I guess I'm
to?
going with you. Where are we going? Careful, careful, careful. Okay. Where are we going? We'll go down the slide. Alright, ready? Wait, come on, come on. Down the slide. Hey. Oh, it's slippery. Ready? Oh, and it's cold. Ready?
Hey, buddy.
You like that one?
Yay!
Want to do that again?
Yay!
Careful. Come here, bud.
Thank you.
Come here. Come here. Can you put the sticks in here? put the sticks in there. Come here. Here, put the sticks in there. Put them in there. Put them in there. Good job. Put them all in. Here, come on. Yeah, more. Here, come on. Okay, go ahead. Keep putting them in. Hi, Sticks. Put them in. Oh, that's busy work. It's very busy. Oh, that one won't fit, will it? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Careful.
Where's Peppa? Hi, bud. Where's Peppa? See Peppa?
Peppa.
Peppa. Go see Peppa.
It's a, you know, like a 3-hour
Go give Peppa love. Go give him love. Go give him love. Aw, you're petting Peppa? Aw. Aw, Peppa, give you a kiss. Peppa, give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. Oh, Peppa won't kiss you?
The sun is shining.
You loving your cow? Are you loving your cow? Moo? Give him a big hug. Lazy Sunday morning. Cloudy and sort of rainy one.
He's a handful, and she doesn't have toys, and they jump about everything. Like he was playing in, you know, in the Tupperware, and you know, yeah, Marcus videotaped him, so I'm gonna cut that conversation off. It's gonna rain, and they're gonna get all wet. Come on. Connor! See, what are you doing, Bug? Oh, come on, Boots! Your chair. Where's your chair? Hi, Dad. Get those fingers out of your mouth.
Hi, buddy.
Ooh, here, I'll hold it. You get in. Get in. Look at how dirty it is. Hi. Oh, that's a nice chair, isn't it? Climb in. Oh, that's a good chair. Yeah, that's a good one. All done? Yeah. That's enough relaxing. You chilling? Are you chilling? Oh, your hands are so dirty. Careful. Oh, yeah. You want water in there? You're gonna get mosquito bites. You want mommy to put water in? That's right, I just drained it. Can I have the bucket? I'll go get you water. Hold on.
Connor, say achoo! 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 Achoo!
Two. It's starting to rain.
A
Glad
little
you
bit.
filled that up. Why wouldn't it start to rain?
Dada. Hi, Dada.
Hi, buddy. How you doing?
Hi, Dada.
Hi, Connor. How are you doing?
Papa. 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 Papa.
Camera?
Papa.
Do you see Daddy? Is Daddy on there?
Dada.
Daddy's on there?
Dada.
Dada? You see Daddy on the screen?
Dada.
Dada? It's our family. Say a cheese.
Dada.
Get your nose wet? Be careful. Careful. Today is May 23rd, I think, 2010. Connor is 15 months old.